Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I'm back with another video for you guys. So I'm actually doing this over the top using one of my new cameras that I just purchased. If you don't know what this is the ELP webcam cameras, or over the top camera with an extra lens. As you can see right here, I had to play with a lot of the settings to get the colors nice and right and pop and all that good stuff right there. So you already know what this video is. This is a BIOS update for the ROG Ally. This is the one and only update to the new ROG Ally X that's supposed to be dropping, I guess, in a few months. Some people already got hands on, already have it, but we get some new stuff that's actually being added. So let's just open up eXtremeRate real quick. As we can see right there. I just got to zoom this in. So let me fix my camera so you guys can actually see exactly what I am seeing. So give me a second while I zoom this in. Okay, there we go. So there we go right there. I do love this over the top right there. Now what we got to do is we do got to plug in our power cord right here. So let's plug in the AC adapter, just the 65 watt. Okay, there we go. See where we at. 25 watt manual. Okay, let's try to get this focused up a little bit better. It should be good enough since this is manual focus. So what we're gonna do is click on that. Let's get the mouse in here right there. Let's see, we got the mouse. So you already know the deal, how I always do these videos. I always talk and always give you guys the updates and stuff like that. So I actually did a other video on one of the other days. Let me see. This is recreate. Updates will continue after restarting. Okay, no problemo. Let's restart now. I need to focus that a little bit better. Try to zoom that in a little bit better for you guys. There we go. I do love this over the top camera like that. So there was a another BIOS update that was a version 3.3.7, I believe, but it didn't do the full BIOS update like what I'm doing right now. I think I did the BIOS update. I'm not completely sure. I don't remember what was the last BIOS I actually did. I did have a video, but I actually deleted the video, so I wasn't sure if I had a 3.3.7 BIOS update. So I know I did get a 3.3.7 BIOS update. Yeah, I didn't get this like that, so that wasn't a BIOS update. It was just probably a fix. So let's click yes. Yes. And there we go. Okay, so like I was saying before, I had got the 3.3.7 BIOS update before. I think I already have one. I got to double check, but if y'all don't know, I actually deleted my eXtremeRate SE, and I deleted what it was, AMD. I forgot the actual name of the program. It's AMD something. I just don't remember. I deleted that. I got rid of the eXtremeRate because I was having problems with my graphical drivers and stuff like that. So there was new updates that went out. So if you don't know what was happening, if I showed y'all the video, I did put it towards my playlist. I was having issues where I was actually having discoloration on it. So basically my screen was turning the color of, as you can see, my skin on here. So basically every time I would power on my ROG Ally, it would just be all these colors and you couldn't see nothing on the screen. And for me to fix the problem, I had to put it in the dock, or I had to just change the settings. And basically what happened was eXtremeRate was basically deleting the... Okay guys, sorry about that. The audio actually cut off. So this is Future Easy right now. So we're actually doing a little fast editing. I sped up the video to try to make this thing as fast as possible because the audio actually cut off. So basically what I was saying in the previous video, I was talking about the situation, how I had to basically delete eXtremeRate and AMD software, or was it Adrenaline? I forgot the name of the program, but I had to basically delete it because I was having problems with the screen turning the colors as I was showing you on the screen. As you can see, it's the same colors as the colors I have on my ROG Ally as my skin. So that was basically what I was basically talking about. So basically what you see me doing on the screen right now is just as I do in every video that I tell you guys to basically update your stuff. Always go into RUBBERIZED, check your software, double check and make sure you have any updates. Like I always stress out to everybody when I tell you guys to do this, to always double check it. If you check it the first time, sometimes the update doesn't automatically come through, so you might want to click it again just to double check to see if there's an update that comes in, because a lot of the times I noticed a couple of times that when I would do an update and I'll exit out and I'll come back, there's an update when I come back on it, like probably like 5 or 10 minutes later, there's a new update directly on here. Next, also, like I always say, you always want to go to your AMD software. You always want to go to my Aces. I just put my hand over the screen so you can't see my serial number, but I always do the update like this. I need to find out why my ROG Ally is doing that. As you can see on the screen, it keeps saying something about the Windows, whatever it may be. But I did do a BIOS update. I don't know if it's something that's specifically dealing with my my Windows installation, but it's not a problem. It's just I don't like that notification of I don't know, I'm gonna have to check some videos to see if other people's having that exact same issue that says it up on here. Next thing what you also want to do is also do my Microsoft, but right now I'm just showing you guys right now how my ROG Ally, for some weird reason, I can actually put my ROG Ally into 1440p and be able to play games at 120 hertz. I can also put my ROG Ally into 4K, as you can see what I'm actually doing on the screen right now. So is it a bug? No, I don't know what it is, but my particular ROG Ally, because I use my ROG Ally on a dock, I always get this extra setting that I can actually, when it's off dock, continue using it in 1440p or 4K. And I've been able to play the games in 4K in 30 frames per second. I've been able to actually play it in 4K at least 50 frames per second, depending on the game. If I put the speed boost and stuff on the GPU booster and all that extra stuff on here, I've been able to get 4K at least 50 frames per second, which is a very, very good. So yeah, so what I'm doing right now is I'm in a Microsoft store, like always, doing an update. And like I always say to you guys, always do it more than once, especially with the Microsoft store. You can hit update. Sometimes it might update might come through and there's actually more files that need to be updated. So sometimes you have to hit update, then you have to hit update all. I always suggest if you hit update, always hit update all to push the rest of those programs. Once it's finished installing, you might want to hit update again to try to like push that through to make sure there's no other apps that's being run in the background that's going to stop it from actually updating, because that's some of the problems that happen with ROG Ally. A lot of the reasons why people have problems with the ROG Ally is because one of two problems. One, they don't keep their software up to date. Two, they never always check their updates, and they never disable stuff, and y'all follow other things, and y'all disable features that you need to keep on ROG Ally, like the updates and the stuff with Windows, because Windows basically come out with updates all the time. So that being said, guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Hit that, you know what you gotta do. Hit that notification bell. And I'm out of here. Peace.